Hello, taco lovers. It's Hanukkah, so we're making braised brisket tacos. But instead of using pomegranate juice, we're going to braise these with prickly pear to have a nod toward Texas flavors. Then we're going to wrap these in potato latke shells. It's comfort food. It's sweet, savory, and it's got a great kick. Brisket is slow food. It asks for patience, attention, and care. The prickly pear adds a subtle sweetness and acidity, cutting through the richness the way good tacos should. Texas style, but unexpected. And the potato latke shell? That's pure deliciousness, turning a tradition into something new. Since it's Hanukkah, I want to talk about the Jewish concept of tzedakah. It's often translated as charity, but that's not quite right. In Jewish thought, tzedakah isn't just a nice thing to do, it's an obligation. It's rooted in the idea that caring for the social good isn't optional generosity. It's part of how a healthy society functions. In other words, helping others isn't just about being a good person, it's about participating in justice. And from a wellness perspective, that's powerful. Because when altruism becomes an obligation, instead of a personality trait, it removes guilt, comparison, and burnout. You don't have to save the world. You just have to show up consistently. Same as you would for any responsibility that matters, like feeding yourself, your family, or your community. Just like brisket. Low heat, steady effort, over time. Here are 3 simple ways to bring the idea of tzedakah into your everyday wellness practice. 1. Automate one small act of giving. Set up a recurring donation, even a few dollars, to a cause you believe in. When it's automatic, it becomes responsibility, not decision fatigue. 2. Pair giving with a routine you already have. For example, every time you shop for groceries, make use of the donation cards at the register, or round up for charity whenever you get fast food. 3. Redefine enough. Tzedakah teaches that giving isn't about excess, it's about fairness. Ask yourself occasionally, do I have enough right now to help in a small way? If yes, that's the moment. These brisket latke tacos are about blending traditions, Texas, Jewish, personal, into something nourishing and intentional. Because wellness isn't just what we eat, it's how we take responsibility for one another. Happy Hanukkah, and I'll see you next week.